So good morning to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Alok Industries share. So we'll discuss the latest mutual fund holdings of the June ended quarter, and we'll also see the possible technicals of this share today as well as in the coming days. So what we can do, so one thing I want to tell people are invested in this stock before the video starts, that you need to hold patiently, because in stock market patience is the one thing which is required for success. Okay, if you don't have any patience, you cannot earn any good amount. Okay, understand that as well. But and another thing is that you should not invest in heavy quantity, always invest in small quantity on dips. So that should be your main strategy behind any penny stock, any share, not only Alok. You can take any share, only on dips you need to add in small quantity. Never ever invest bulk amount at a time. Okay, now let's see about Alok mutual fund holdings. So you can see Alok Industries mutual fund holding. These are the arbitrage funds, okay, which are having holding in Alok. You can see SBI Arbitrage Opportunities Fund almost is having a 1.02 crore. You can see JM Arbitrage Fund is almost having 1.26 crore, and rest IDFC Arbitrage, SBI Arbitrage Opportunities Fund is having 1.11. So you can say major stake is with JM Arbitrage Fund. Okay, you can see almost they're having 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore, and rest of all are having point crores. But we know that market cap of Alok is almost around, when it was around 50 rupees 54, then market cap was around 11,000 crores. But now after the correction, you can see almost the market cap has become 7,000 crores, and you can see the holdings of all these arbitrage funds is. So the we can say that big mutual fund houses are yet not invested in it. So we can say that a very big move may be possible for Alok Industries in the coming days. Okay, that's why you need to watch these data on regular basis, so that you will have an idea of the future. Okay, if you don't watch anything, and definitely if you see the sheet and conclude anything, you cannot say anything. Okay, you need to have a complete fundamental analysis as well. So this data is very good. So we can say that almost more mutual funds are focusing on this particular stock. Okay, next we'll try to, then I forgot to tell one thing. So what is arbitrage fund? So you can see everything here is in arbitrage. We can say JM arbitrage fund, SBI arbitrage fund. You can see Kotak equity arbitrage funds. So what are arbitrage funds? So arbitrage funds are the funds houses which trade between the price difference of NSE and BSE. We know that a companies will be listed in NSE as well as BSE, most of the companies. Okay, and their price will be different in NSE as well as BSE. So the price difference between NSE and BSE, they'll earn profit. So that those companies are known as arbitrage funds. Okay, got clarity? Almost Alok is present in NSE as well as in BSE. In NSE will have different price, in BSE will have different price. But these types of houses, arbitrage fund houses, they trade. Okay, they buy, and BSE they sell in NSE. So between those two regions, how much profit they'll get, so that is what is their source of income. Okay, just I wanted to tell you about arbitrage funds. Okay, now let's see about the basic overview of Alok. Okay, if you see the basic overview, that's what I was telling. The market cap is almost 7,000 crores, and you can see industry P is 3.92 and current P is 1.27. Okay, and deliveries are 100%. So you can say that PE, current P is almost less than sector PE, and we can say that if we see regular basis, almost the stock is coming near the reversal region. So we need to stay very focused and invest in small quantities. Okay, should not panic at any point of time. Okay, I discussed complete thing of Alok in previous videos. Also discussed a certificate which was given by Alok. We discussed how the management is responding in time. Okay, and updating all the latest updates on the share. Okay, you can see deliveries are also 100%. Next, if you see current market price is 31.85. Okay, 31.85. and it has given almost it was down almost 1.65 rupees. But what will happen today and what are the levels to watch, we'll see that as well. Okay, before that we'll see the market centimeter of Alok. If we see market centimeter of Alok, you can see almost 97% is on buy side and 2% is on sell side and 1% is on hold. So don't focus on these all, but I want to tell you one thing, that when you trust any company and you've invested amount in it, then definitely you should have a positive attitude toward that share. We know that Alok management has we can say that very good management, employees have increased, so okay, their exports have increased, okay, PP kits, you know that it manufactures PP kits. So when all the businesses are going very well, so why we should panic about that share? Okay, once you have invested, then definitely leave it for long term. In long term, definitely a good movement will be possible. Okay, so let's see another updates. Okay, you can see these were the returns given by almost the trending penny stocks. Okay, you know that almost these were the trending stocks which have given very huge returns. You can see Birla Tires almost 1400% returns. Opto Circuits, okay, 857. Opto Circuits nobody have discussed till now, so I'll try to make a video on Opto Circuits so that you will have the idea of the levels. Almost its correction is in a verge of completion, so that people who want to invest can invest. Next comes the Alok. After that, Ruchi Infrastructure, Alchem, Syntex Plastics, JMD Auto, as well as Syntex Industries Limited. Okay, and last one is Northeastern Carrying Corp. So these were all the stocks giving returns in short period of time. Very good amount of results were given. So whichever stock in this you want an analysis, so definitely mention in the comment section. Nothing to worry, I'll discuss the complete fundamentals as well as the technicals. Almost people have mentioned in the comment section every video I have made on that particular stock. Okay, next video we'll discuss about Opto Circuits. Now let's see the Alok technicals and we'll conclude the video. Okay, so we are into the 1-day chart of Alok Industries. So we'll discuss the levels of this. So you can see immediate support around 29.20, which is the pivot point, and also you have 50 EMA at that particular level. And next level, which will be very crucial, if this pivot point is not respected, the next level to watch out is 26.15. okay, this will be a very good support from where you can see previously also when it has opened at 26, later it has given a huge movement. So watch this 26.15 as well as 29.20. so note down the levels. These are the two important levels that you need to focus in Alok Industries. Okay, invest in small quantities at these two dips if you want. Okay, don't panic, nothing to worry about the company. Okay, rest of all, you can see mutual fund also has reached the oversold region. At any point of time reversal may happen. Okay, even today, tomorrow, anytime it may happen. But what's our strategy? We need to invest in small quantities. So whenever the movement comes, immediately I'll update in the Telegram section. Okay, so that you can add or whatever you want you can do. So I'll update, so you can join the Telegram group as well. Next, what we can see in 1 week chart. So this is 1 week chart. You can see that almost, so you can see money flow index is showing that still little correction is possible. I'll go to oversold region and then it will start reversing. So that's what money flow index is telling. Okay, almost it is reaching the oversold region. So apart from that, you can see this is the good support. Almost I discussed the levels. You can see these are the two levels. One is 29.20 and another one is 26.15. The same levels are seen in 1 week chart as well. Okay, so this is all about Alok Industries. In next videos we'll discuss about Opto Circuits. So until then, stay tuned, stay invested, hold the share. Take care, bye bye.